This is a Bertumators Videoation Special Report. From Bensenville, Illinois, here's Johnny Techman.
Time now is about 11:30 a.m. I'm walking out through the back door of the apartment building here. And as you can see, it's like we're like totally covered in everything. A little bit of white snow all over the place. It's incredible. Now over here we're more into the parking lot. And the snow's like really deep and a lot of cars are buried here. I would say the snow depth will have to be about maybe ankle to mid-cap deep at this point. Probably even deeper. And get a little more look around the parking lot here. Gives you an idea how deep the snow is. There's a little dark empty spot here. I'm going to take a panoramic view around here. A lot of cars are like almost completely buried. Trying to walk through this parking lot is treacherous at best. And we're going out towards the out to where the street is. You can see by the stop sign and the other sign there how deep the snow is in that area. Doesn't look like a plow truck's been around for quite a while. Well, it looks like there's a little bit of plowing there. And getting more shots of the parking lot here. There's people in there trying to get the parking lot cleaned up as best they can. So you can try to maybe attempt to make them move one of their cars. One car there's like almost completely buried. This part where it gets really deep here. This one I have to say it's about maybe knee deep or so. Then we're getting close here to the front entrance. A lot of cars are just like completely buried and snowed in. It's incredible. You can see where the bikes are buried over here. This is Johnny Techman for Bertumators Videoation.
This has been a Bertumators Videoation Special Report. Thank you for watching.